Alright, so this is a quick example to showcase how to add the idle animation in the ladder that I was requested a bit. So I created this two idle animations, which is nothing special. It's just him going up and down on a ladder for both hands. And then what I did is in the character animation blueprint. So if I go to the event graph, so this is the standard thing. All I did was cast to my side scroller character. I got the ladder from him, and I just ask is left hand, because I need to know what is he on the left hand or is he on the right hand, so which idle animation to use. And then I promoted that to a variable, and if this is valid, it's gonna set this. And then it just continues on to whatever the character is using. However, in the actual montages themselves, I need to set uh, the notifies for to sort of notify me whenever the animation changes. So if I go to enter animation, so all the enter notifies. So what I did here is I created another notify, which is this one, and I added, basically I created a new notify that I named idle start and another one that's named idle stop. So on all enter animations, I added this idle start right at the end, because this is where I want it to sort of start. I don't want it to start here. I want it to start as soon as he actually grabs the ladder. So somewhere around here. So all of these enter animations have the same thing except for the slides. So enter slide, because that's where he's already on the ladder, so these two don't need it. But the rest, if we go and look, the rest have this idle start here. And for the idle stop, we actually go to the exit animations. So all the exit animations have the idle stop, but idle stop is right here at the beginning. So not at the end, right here at the beginning, so that it stops right here. So exit and also let go animations, because let go is also where he lets go of the ladder. So these two also have the idle stop here. And you'll see that here in the anim blueprint, where you go idle start or idle stop. And I have a variable here that says it's on the ladder, and basically I'm just setting the variable. So if it starts, then he's on the ladder. If it stops, then he's off the ladder. So that's this variable. And we use that variable here. This is that variable. And we blend poses by bool. So this is the default state machine. So if he's on the ladder, then he's gonna do this, which is the two idles. And then I'm just deciding, is it left hand or right hand? So then he's either gonna play a left hand idle or a right hand idle. And I set the blend time, both of these, to 0, because you don't need to blend these at all. And that's all the setup there is to it. And if I actually try and play now, you can see that the character is idling on both hands, and he's exiting and entering normally. So this might actually be something I may add in the ladder itself if people request it, because it's not that difficult to set up, and I'm just going to do it myself so you don't have to go through all this. But yeah, if you want your idle now, this is how you do it. It's pretty straightforward. And that's it. Enjoy.